Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Sharp TV replacement remote is compatible with all types of Sharp TVs like LCD, LED and plasma. This is the perfect solution to replace your old or broken Sharp remote. This is the only true Sharp replacement remote. One for All is the world leader in remote controls.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once switched on, press and hold the TV control stick on the TV set for a few seconds. This will prompt the pairing menu to appear. Scroll through and highlight the Pair Your Remote option by pressing the TV control stick up or down. Then press the control stick to confirm your selection.
Take our lead.
Press the button on the remote control that corresponds to the type of device you are programming. At the same time, press and hold the display button. For example, press TV and display on the remote at the same time to activate the programming option for your television.
Take our lead.
If you have broken or lost one of your Sharp remote controls, we are able to provide a replacement remote control for all Sharp devices. All of our Sharp replacement remote controls come fully programmed with new batteries and work right out of the box.
Let's help you make your mark.
Remote control codes for Sharp TVs. Sharp TV remote control codes. The 3-digit codes for most programmable universal remote controls for Sharp televisions are 002, 013, 014, 111, 502, 509, 712, 812. The 4-digit codes for most programmable universal remote controls for Sharp televisions are 0039, 0093, 0165, 0386, 1004, 1009, 1011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.